Hello, welcome to today's analysis of the NQ and a little bit of the ES. It is Thursday, the 5th of December. And yeah, let's look at what has happened. It's been quite the development. Pushing back to a few days ago, I was talking about this zone that we were in moving sideways, and we got a few reactions that I was looking for, and there was a block here, which gave a reaction, and I took a trade here. Wait, it was a bit higher. It was up here. It was a little scalp. It's about this, just into this block. It was a little 2 to 3, or 2.3, tiny. And then I was talking about this zone down here that we could mitigate, which we did, and then moved up very quickly after, which led to a very expansive move. Very, very expansive. Okay. Then Asia opened up, trended up very, very slowly for the whole day. Not much of a liquidity grab to be seen. Mitigated. I just kind of created flat lows here and ended up pushing up. But yeah, we had this very expensive move. And we're up here today. Had this large push up, this break of structure. And then we opened today on a small downtrend from Asia at an interesting area. We mitigated this fair value gap here. And started moving down. So I'm in a short from around here. It was during work, so it's a low position, low capital position. It's kind of a potentially a large move, I think. We created some bearish structure, took liquidity nicely, mitigated this gap on Sydney's open, which is just something notable. Took nice liquidity throughout the day. Money flow coming out on each one. Seems like a move down is likely today. We have a 45-minute order block below us, which we're currently inducing. This is the micro. It says it's tapped, but it hasn't been tapped on the NQ itself. There's a chance we bounce from there. There's a chance we bounce. We have a high volume node here with a couple of volume gaps. We have a past daily VWAP down there as well, I believe. If we take a look at this. So we have the middle band of the past daily VWAP down by this order block. But we have RTH gap, a very large one down here, with a plethora of equal lows and unmitigated fair value gaps. Whether they come for this week or not, I don't know, but this whole push up here, I'm keeping my eyes on for a very, very large grab. This is a very large time frame move, so they can slice it down and find support on these areas here, previous all-time high, which is here, and the one before that here. But the previous all-time high, right around the RTH gap, I would invite a knife into this zone to balance price out a bit. But we'll see what happens. Above that, we have a couple of past daily VWAPs that we can react off, and we do have a few blocks there. I like this zone here. We have a naked point of control right inside of this this VWAP zone as well, which we can see. Where is it gone? See, it was from. Where did I take it? Take the break of structure itself. Putting controls higher. Putting controls around here. We have vector recovery as well, so a liquidity grab of this zone is on the cards. Find some support around here. The thing is, the bearish VWAPs that we have anchored from this point could now potentially turn into support. But if we start selling at them, it would be even more of a reason for us to come down into these liquidity levels. These lows that US made, I'm not mega sold on them. I'm not super sold. They seem to me like very easy liquidity grab. But we have been kind of manically pushing up, so whether they actually do come down today or not, we'll just have to see. But I'm going to take this little bearish precedent that we've opened with, especially with Sydney setting the stage. I'm going to play this into today. Yeah, these lows are looking interesting to me, and they're right above this zone, so I would not be surprised if price came down into here even very quickly, into this zone. There are a few levels it can bounce though, but this push up, I don't know, whenever we do come on for it, I don't know if it's going to really last. There is a chance, I guess, we find support around here, around this zone, 21,356. But this whole gap is looking a bit sus. Immediately, if we do really want to find support and maybe come up into this zone again today, I mean, I would like to see some absorption into this zone, just below 21,500. But at the moment, especially with what the ES is doing, ES came right up to Sydney's highs, took out all of its Asian highs, and it's kind of decisionary moment now. We have a lot of Asian lows here. You know, if they want to slice down, then they'll bring the NQ with it. If they want to leave them, which they can, it's been a bit irrational recently, but you know, they can just completely leave these stacked Asian lows alone, keep pushing up if they want. We're in just a crazy push, just a straight line up. So yeah, they can keep swiping up and up and up if they want, but you know, I've seen a sign of potential internal exhaustion, so you know, play that, you know. So that's my idea. It'd be nice to see some kind of lows being taken. They didn't do it at all here, really. Like here was nice, but it would be nice to see some liquidity taken at this stage. But yeah, that's it really. Money flow really started coming out after Sydney today, and all the pushes up showed me that it was maybe a true move. I like this mitigation here to know how long it'll last. We have vector recovery up there, but it was this FEG here got nicely tapped, and the structure created after it was definitely bearish. So I'm in a short. That's it. This is a low that if we don't slice through it, might hold. We have an anchored VWAP all the way down here. We have our past daily VWAPs down here. There's reason for us to come down. Whether that means they do it or not, I don't know. But charts are telling me at the moment that they want to come back into this crazy expansive bullish structure that they've made. So that's the side I'm playing. All right, peace guys. Very quick one today. Happy trading, and we'll see you tomorrow.